Okay, test. Okay, I can see the mic is working. Okay, hello, my name is Azhar Farabi Kurniawan from class 2024 for OPE for Object Oriented Programming, and I'm here to explain the CS6 module stuff for Spring Boot thing. Okay, so first I want to spend all the code part, which is here. Let me see so you can see it. Okay. So first of all is the score repository part we make. So first of all, I just import everything. The basically tells on the server the PDF, and this is basically this is sort one. Just have curry. Okay, I don't know how to spell it, but yeah. So here the key is just finding top score, then the find highest score. Highest score by player ID, find total coins, and get total distance of score repository, and it's just something simple like this. And then the next is make a score.service after importing all the necessary stuff, such as service and transactional. So I do add service and then private score repository and player repo. I just make it a bit shorter, so that's why it's like that. And this is for the transactional part, which is Java util UID PID and then a runtime exception. And the player repository find by ID, set total coins, the get total coin stuff for player repository, and then this is the all the less scores and stuff like that. So as you can see here, there's like leaderboard here. Okay, didn't mean to press that. There you go. And there's total coin. Somebody running it. This is for later purposes. So yeah, and then next I have the score controller part, which is, as you can see, backend service, host service, string framework, response entity, all the import stuff, and then I have REST controller, request mapping, and cross origin. And then public class score controller, private vinyl score service, and then score controller, and then all the post mapping and get mapping. Here, response entity okay, runtime exception, return response entity, bad request, and also get mapping, less score, return service, public editor service, stuff like that. And see for basic for everything. So I have /player ID player sorted. Leaderboard /player ID /total coins /player ID /total coins, and then lastly is the health controller, just add request, add rest controller, add request mapping, public class health controller, get mapping and health, public map string object health, and then just input post status up and put system current time return m. And yeah, I already run the code here because later we have to test the postman. As you can see, this is my previous test, and this is the result, I guess, when you run it, and then now you can test it on Postman. But before that, you need to do the applications and properties first. This is a bit, remember the server port 8080 because I'm going to use, and then that's basically it. So now let's open the Postman. Should be able to see it. Yes, you can be able to see it. Okay. So first of all, create a post request for creating a player. So first, let's have a new name here. Let's have the name. What's the name? Let's say, and then just high score 0, total 0, and then click send, and it should work. Right there. There we go. Yeah, Hatsune Miku now. Now you have the player ID right here, which is we're gonna copy, Control C, and then next we make a new request. Now it's for scores. Do the same thing, body around JSON. I change this player ID to the new one, to my new one here. This is usually like empty or something like that, because that's going to be like this. You just insert a new ID. So now you click send. Now you have the player ID and score ID. That's the new score ID. And then you can search all players here. I'm pretty sure you can like do this for a specific player. I'm pretty sure. Yeah. If you want to search get by username, you do it like this. So you do players and then put the player ID. After that, you put /player ID and you find the specific player ID. And if you wanna just do this first, you can. If you wanna find all players, just do this. Send. Now we have all the 3 players. This is my test player. This is another 2 test players. and all the player ID. So if I want to search only for Gojo Satoru, I just want to highlight him, Control C, slash that, and then click send, and then now only specifying Gojo Satoru only. Okay, now back to explaining the code. So on how like the get API work, that's put this down. So on how like the specifications, I would say, on like how the controller work and stuff like that. So for this, like the add get mapping and stuff like that, is all basically like endpoints. You would say all the endpoints. There's like many ways to code it, but like how you use it, like how the slash things is by using it like that. So you do slash and then specify it and like path variable towards the player ID itself.